Hi, I'm Chris Hale and welcome to the Earnings Corner. Now, if you've got children, you may or may not be aware that whilst they were watching the Disney Channel this morning, Mickey and Minnie looked a little bit worse for wear, mainly because they were out partying all night. And why do you ask? Because Disney posted profits that were much higher than expected. They had a 10% rise in revenues for the first 3 months of the year. Their net income rose 32% compared to last year to $1.5 billion for the first 3 months ending in March. They performed much better than analysts expected, and the reason for this is because they had a 14% rise in theme park revenues, 13% rise in movie studio revenues, and 6% increase in their ESPN revenues as well. Now, for the first 6 months of the year, they spent just over $1.1 billion on their theme parks. This is half of what they normally spend, and it's all part of a cost-saving exercise. But this is great news for investors because it means that one of two things: either there's going to be a share buyback or potentially a special dividend, and this is great news for the share price because it could be that little catalyst that they're needed. Now, you're probably asking yourself, where's the future growth going to come from? Well, back in December they purchased Star Wars franchise from Lucasfilms for just over $4 billion. Now, their aim is from 2015 to release one film a year, and the Star Wars franchise as a whole generated over $27 billion through its lifetime. Now, if they can get anywhere near this sort of revenue, it will prove to be a fantastic success for them. Not only this, but they also have the rights to Iron Man 3. Now, this has been released recently and is proven to be a big hit in the box office. It's already generated over $700 million worldwide alone, and this is all going to be announced in their next quarterly results. So it's already looking good for Disney as it is. For me, they have a fantastic brand, they have great worldwide appeal, and just Disney as a whole doesn't get any better. For me, they're still a buyer. Thanks for listening.